Let's learn how to calculate percentage in Excel. In this video, we will discuss how to calculate percentage in Excel sheet with example. We will discuss two examples. In this video, we will discuss how to calculate percentage difference between two numbers in Excel and how to use a formula to calculate percentage on Excel. In first example, we will discuss how to calculate percentage difference between two numbers in Excel which will apply on delivered products. In the second example, we will discuss about undelivered product. So here you can see we have a order and some undelivered product as well. So we have to find out the percentage of undelivered product while we have the delivered products number. So we will practice how to use Excel to calculate percentage for remaining products or for undelivered products.
As per my students' feedback, they understand percentage calculation in Excel properly with this training and they find it very useful. So I will recommend you to watch complete video to understand this Excel percentage calculation example accurately. I will show you more example of percentage calculation as well as in this video training some more important things I have for you which will make you a champ of Excel that I will discuss after this example. But I want your full concentration and attention as I am going to start this tutorial. So give your attention to it and subscribe and like on this video now, which proves that you are here with me to understand this example. So subscribe and like it now.
Before explaining these example, I am going to share you some training material. I have created a percentage training material with 15 example, different kind of 15 example. Here you can see there are multiple type of percentage calculation available in this training session. So you can watch the link in the description. So I hope you will find it very useful. So I'm going to discuss now of the first example. Here you can see we have some products and order as well. So and we have some delivery numbers as well, which we already deliver from the order products. So the delivered product, we have the number, so we have to find the percentage of delivered products with the help of delivered product and order product number. So I'm going to remove these data and formulas and going to apply this formula. So the simple formula is that you need to divide the delivered number uh, with the order unit, so you will get the uh, percentage in in the format of decimal. So I have to change the format to show you how it will be appeared. Here you can see once we divide deliver product to the order product, so we will get the numbers in in the numeric without percentage. And if we apply 100 multiply by 100, if we add the formula and multiply with the 100, so it will not work because it's a table. So we have to change remove the table, and then we will apply again this formula to so I can show you how it will be look like after multiply by 100, but it's not showing the actual percentage sign with this number. So for that I will tell you how it will work. So here you can see I'm going to show you it again. We have the delivered product, so now I'm going to apply the formula. Actually I removed the table here. So here you can see I'm going to divide it with the delivered product to the order product, and once we divided it to, so we get the result as 0.7. And if we drag it, so we will get the result in decimal. So we can multiply by this formula with the 100, so we'll get the result in percentage but without percentage sign. So for that we need to apply a format here. I will tell you a shortcut as well. So for that I have to remove this per 100 multiply by 100 from the formula. If we multiply with the percentage sign, it will not work. So for that I'm going to remove it again, or multiply with this percentage, it will not work because it's a format in the Excel. So I'm going to apply the percentage format on it. Let me show you how it will be look like. First of all, I'm going to remove the 100% 100 multiply by 100 numeric from the formula, and this is the percentage sign. Once we click on it, or we can use the control shift percentage sign from the keyboard, so it's a shortcut. So if we apply this, so it will be give us the result. Now we will discuss the second example. Here you can see we have undelivered product. We required the percentage of undelivered products. So if we multiply by this, divide by with the order product will deliver product, will show the wrong number. Or we can, how can we, like we need to apply a different formula for it. So for that I will show you. The formula is undelivered product. The formula we will discuss as, the formula is simple. We need to open the bracket for the calculation of undelivered product. So once we open the bracket and divide by, sorry, we need to minus, subtract the ordered product from and the delivered product, and we will divide it to order product. So we will get the percentage of undelivered product. But if we can apply like a formula like percentage, if we move this as a journal, so we'll get this number in the decimal, or we can multiply by this formula with the 100 to get the percentage in only number without percentage sign. But we can use it as the percentage sign as well with the help of format, but for that we need to remove the numbers multiply by 100. Here you can see the result is totally perfect, and here you can get the percentage with this formula. Some few important things are remaining. Here you can see we have multiple examples available here for to learn the percentage calculation. So for that you need to look at this. I hope you will find it very useful. Just watch for few minutes. So I hope you will find it very useful. There are multiple examples available here, and I will add more example also.
Let me show you more example of percentage calculation. Before that, I want to give you some important things which will help you be an expert of Microsoft Excel. As we know that practice make a man perfect. For that, you need to engage yourself with Excel minimum once or twice a day. Get in touch via WhatsApp and learn a lot about Excel, or you can join our Facebook group. Both links are mentioned in below, so you can join easily. For practice and easy understanding of this example, I have created interactive tutorial on website which will explain you this example step by step, and you can have this Excel file also for practice. Even for each tutorial, I also add MCQs in the end of the tutorial page which will increase your understanding. So to have interactive tutorial or Excel file or MCQs, get the link from the description. Now let's discuss 15 example of percentage calculation which are very useful for you. As we know that there are many ways to calculate percentage for different aspect for different result. To make it simple for you, we have started this training from basic to advanced level, so you will become an expert in percentage calculation on Microsoft Excel. You can apply any one as per your requirement, or watch all videos to understand percentage calculation in Excel from basic to advanced level, such as basic percentage formula, percentage between two cells, percentage between two numbers, percentage in Excel chart, percentage for entire columns, percentage for multiple rows, pie chart percentage, change of percentage change formula, and more example we have for change of percent calculation. I will recommend you to watch all videos to understand percentage calculation, then watch change of percentage calculation. All examples are given in separate videos so you can understand each video properly.